There's a big problem that we need to start talking about, and that is dietitians and therapists putting every single specialty under the sun to attract more clients. It happens everywhere with almost everyone. I'm not calling out this particular person or this particular platform. And again, this is a thing for therapists and dietitians, and I'm sure other providers too, but I am an eating disorder dietitian. Obviously, I have a master's degree in dietetics and nutrition. I can do general wellness as well, but my specialty is eating disorders. And I would never say that okay, first of all, hold on. I'll just say it like my mentor says, you can't ride two horses with one butt. If someone has an eating disorder and they're looking for a dietitian to help them recover from their eating disorder, and they see all these eating disorders and then they see help losing weight, they're gonna be like, skip. That's a whole other conversation. When you specialize in something and you're doing one-on-one counseling, you want to be an expert in that. Me working with eating disorders means that I'm attending all the eating disorder webinars, I'm listening to all of the eating disorder podcasts, I'm reading all of the eating disorder research. There's only 24 hours in a day, and if I tried to be a specialist in all of these things, I wouldn't do anything else with my time. I truly do not see how someone can genuinely be a specialist in everything. Of course, as dietitians, we have all of this information because we had to learn about it to become dietitians, but that doesn't mean you're an expert in that. And what this does, it not only impacts the clients negatively because they're signing up with the thought that someone is a specialist, and maybe they are, but maybe they're not, but it impacts other dietitians who are actually dedicating their time to specialize in any of these specific things. We need to be comfortable with finding a specific niche and really focusing on that, and maybe having a few other things, of course, to just click all of the above in the hopes of getting a lot of clients. I would have whiplash. It's too much for you and it's subpar for them. This might be controversial, but figure out what you want to do and become a pro at it. You can't ride 15 horses with one butt. Sorry.